King Ludwig II's reign was marked by an unyielding obsession with fairy tales. His magnum opus, Neuschwanstein Castle, nestled in the Bavarian Alps, embodied his fantastical vision with its soaring spires and enchanting design. Inside Linderhof Palace, Ludwig created a surreal underground grotto, complete with a boat where he'd float serenaded by opera singers amid stalactites and whimsical lighting. His castle's opulent interiors featured grand chandeliers and vivid paintings inspired by Wagnerian operas and timeless fairy tales. Amid all this extravagance, Ludwig shared a particularly close bond with composer Richard Wagner, providing significant financial support and even constructing an opera house in Bayreuth dedicated to his work. Their relationship sparked rumors of a deeper connection, blending the lines of art, extravagance, and a lifelong enchantment with the fantastical.